Welcome to Deeping. In this video, we'll see the basic differences and a comparison between Apache, Spark and Hadoop. So, is Spark a replacement for Hadoop? Actually, Spark and Hadoop are two different systems with some overlapping functionalities. And Spark is never a replacement for Hadoop. Though we can compare Spark functionalities with that of Hadoop MapReduce. So before going to the differences and the advantages, we'll see what they are. So what is Hadoop? Hadoop is an Apache project and a framework that allows for distributed processing of large data sets across computer clusters using simple programming models. Hadoop can scale from single computer systems to up to thousands of commodity systems which offer local storage and have computational power. Hadoop is composed of modules that work together to create a Hadoop framework. The primary components of a Hadoop framework are HDFS, which is used for distributed storage, and MapReduce, which is used for data processing. And what is Spark? Apache Spark is a framework for performing general data analytics on distributed computer clusters like that of a Hadoop. It provides in-memory computations for increasing speed and data processes over MapReduce. It can run on top of existing Hadoop cluster and can access Hadoop data store, that is HDFS, and can also process standard data structure, streamed data in Hive, and also streaming data from that of Kafka, Twitter, etc. So in short, Spark is a data processing tool that operates on these distributed data collections. However, it does not have any distributed storage. The main components of Apache Spark are Apache Core, SQL, streaming, lib and graphics function. All these are data processing tools and they does not support any of the distributed storage functionalities. So what are the similarities between Spark and Hadoop? Both are used for big data processing. Though Spark, again the second advantage is similarity is that Spark both have speed. Though Spark is having 10 times or 100 times faster when compared to Hadoop MapReduce, still Hadoop is used for batch mode processing. Third is fault tolerance. Hadoop provides fault tolerance by writing data spills to disk, whereas Spark RDDs provides full recovery in event of failure. So what is the interdependence between Spark and Hadoop? Actually, Spark and Hadoop can run independently from each other. The Spark does not have any distributed storage. It can access diverse data sources including HDFS, Cassandra, HBase or S3 storage. Coming back to advantages of using Spark over Hadoop MapReduce. First and foremost is the speed. Spark is lightning fast computational tool. Spark can run applications up to 100 times faster when in memory and 10 times faster when on disk when compared to MapReduce. This is because of reducing the number of read-write from the disk and thereby storing the intermediate data in memory. The second advantage is that it is easy to program Spark because it has tons of high-level RDD operators. Third one is real-time analysis. Spark can actually process data real-time, that is data coming from real-time event streaming at the rate of millions per second. Fourth and foremost is latency. Spark provides very low latency computing. So what's the final word? Though Spark actually provides an application to write big data application